Hadian balakia katma hapadangkari Ukraine bat Russia lapalat laitayo menta. Kibreo hakeleng kepertai kila penrem jore kene kejing hartma jangka Russia persya ke Ukraine bat hasatla kepertai le osngo ya kejing sngo sen e kirio pat ba hakari Ukraine. Wala halor kene katma ki babon hi kibreo na keleng kiri kimla ban le ai ne banirap. Nrei labon tang hakijing duai ki balabo na kebenta banwan pai biang ka shongsok hakini ki arteli kiri. Hadian arpu arsni kejing hartma ka Russia ya kari Ukraine. Hakabada ki paulak ngot kinong shongshnong kila petri no shkiri bamarjan. Haka khat pratrik mata ubnai leber arhajar arpu ar ki balang kristan boper ki badan hakadinganong ba asyelong kle lumlang hakowe kejaka ban penlong ya kejing duai kerpang na kebenta ki pat ba kari Ukraine bat banwan pai biang kejing shongsok hapadeng ke Ukraine bat ke Russia bat ban penkut no ekatma. Ya kini kejingalang penlong jing duai la khot penlong da All Saints Cathedral Diocese of North East India CNI ha All Saints Cathedral Shillong ha kebalawan baneshim bentar renti da kinong mikmat ngi balang kristan boper ki badan ha kene kanong ba Shillong. La peniat ya kejingalang ha kene kesngi do Bishop Jong ka Diocese of North East India u Right Reverend Michael Herons bat la lamprang ya kejing duai da Secretary ke Bible Society of India Shillong Auxiliary u Reverend P Dakar. Hagani kejing alang lapan long ru kejing dawai kerpang na kebenta kejing ada yaki kentai bat ki kena ki badang don hapadang katma hakari Ukraine.
We have come here with one purpose, to pray for peace, especially in Russia and Ukraine. We have been praying individually, but now as a team, as a group, as we have heard when 2 or 3 are coming together, the Lord is present here. Today the Lord present here. He will listen to our prayer. Surely we hope for that. We hope for peace. Because all the world need peace. People want peace. Every country, every nation want peace. All want peace. We all want peace. Parents want peace. Children want peace. Family one peace, the church, different denomination one peace, government one peace, everyone one peace. Therefore, we are also called to be the instruments of peace. So we have come and prayed, we ask the Lord for peace. That's why in the book of Numbers, chapter 6:26, the Lord bless you and give you, the Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face towards you and give you peace. The word of God. Isaiah 52:7. Prophet Isaiah said, how beautiful on the mountain are the feet of those who bring good news, who proclaim peace to the world.